everybody, it's your girl Kim and I'm back again with another video, y'all. This is going to be on my, this is a haul, put it like that. This is a haul. But before we get started, what's up to my MVP riders? Shout out to you. Thank you for always supporting your girl with the vlogs, the reviews, the hauls, whatever it is that I'm putting out. Thank you, thank you, thank you for always supporting your girl. I truly, truly appreciate it. Also, y'all, don't forget to subscribe. Click the thumbs up. Leave me some comments at the bottom. Let me know, what did you buy from Bath & Body Works, or what have you been buying from Bath & Body Works? Leave that down at the bottom. And don't forget to subscribe, comments, like, hit the notification bell. Follow me on all of my social media platforms. Follow or use my hashtag KimbleLitWicks or KimbleLitWick. Yes, yes, yes. All that stuff do help me. Truly, truly appreciate it. But let's get into this haul. Let's get into the haul. But first, I gotta make some memory on this SD card. So, okay, y'all. Your girl is back and I'm ready. Let me close my phone. Here is the box. It's gonna be some candles. This was the buy two get two sale. I only bought 4 candles, I think. Plus, I had a 30% coupon. Shout out to the person that sent me that coupon. I truly appreciate it. Thank you, thank you, thank you for helping me with this haul. Yeah, so let's open this box and see what we have, because, yeah, I kind of forgot what I ordered. Also, I did get some stuff from the soap sale. It's just for some reason my order haven't shipped yet. I'm not sure what the holdup is, but I have not received any information of it being shipped or any movement at all. So I don't know. Receipt. Okay, the first thing I got, I did use a reward for this first item. I decided to get this vanilla coconut. Yeah, it's not focusing. I really wanted this vanilla coconut. The scent notes is whipped vanilla, peach blossom, warm coconut. Saving Fashionista told me months ago that I would truly love this, but I'm just now getting around to getting it for some reason. I don't know what was the holdup and why it took me so long to purchase this. I have no clue, but I did grab it because y'all know anything with coconut, you know I want to try it. So that was my whole reason behind this. I got a feeling it's going to be sweet with a hint of coconut, but let's see. A lot of alcohol. Wow, I like this. This is actually really good. I do get, most definitely you get the vanilla. But this smells similar to, and I just sprayed it, copper coconut sand. Yeah, but this one is more coconut. This is good. I really like this one. Most definitely could be in the same family, of course, because of the coconut. But I do like this. This is more of a sweet coconut. So yeah, kind of sort of the same, but not the same. But I'm just saying, same family. So yeah, if you like this, you for sure will like this. Love it. This is nice. So that was the only free item I got. Okay, the candles. I got 5 candles. The first one is banana walnut muffin. Got that one. Of course, we're going to shake it to make sure it's not broken. Even though I already own this candle, but I really wanted this packaging. And I probably only will buy one. It looks like it's wax on it. But I absolutely love this packaging. It is so nice. And this is amazing. If you haven't tried this, you need to. And again, it has that hammered lid, copper color. This is so good. Most definitely you get banana, and you get, to me, you get that cinnamon muffin. This is good. This is really, really good. This is good, y'all. You must definitely get like a warm muffin type of scent. If you haven't tried this one, this is a must try. Again, buy it, burn it one time. If you don't like it, you can return it. Y'all know the return policy changed. So if you do buy a candle, make sure you only burn it once or twice. If you don't like it, you got to make that decision whether you're going to keep it or exchange it, because they only accepting gently used items. Okay, I'm gonna get on my last. The next one I got, because I've been waiting on this to go 75% and it never did, and I knew that I wanted one more. Salt, what is it? Sea salt and sails. So this isn't a new candle. Most definitely was around early part of the spring. It was around semi-annual sale. It was around. I was just waiting on this candle to go on sale, and it never ever did. So I said, you know what? Let me go ahead and grab one before they take it off the website. And I do believe, I can't remember if it's still on the website or not, but this will make number 2 of this candle. Ocean Spray, Aloe Vera Nectar, Driftwood. I like this, and it most definitely is a really good throw, but it is, again, one of those sea scented candles. You know, if you love those ocean type of candles, then that's what this is. This is like a fresh men's cologne to me. Yeah, very, very fresh. It's cool. I don't think this is something that will probably ever come back, so that's the reason why I want to at least have 2. So grab that. The next one is, and I think I got 2 of these. Yeah. The next one is Pumpkin Peanut Brittle, and I grabbed 2 because I am trying to grab a couple of these before they sell out. So yeah, that's the reason why I grabbed it. This one is nice. I love the scent of it, but it's not like my super, super favorite. No, it is a really good candle. I do like it, but it's just backup worthy for me, not hoard. But the reason why I'm hoarding it, because I got a feeling they ain't gonna never come back. So I'm gonna try to grab a couple of these because I do like it. It's just not like a super, super favorite one. So yeah, that's what that is. And this is Crunchy Caramel Brittle, Salted Peanuts, Roasted Pumpkin Seeds. And this is good. This is good, y'all. This is a good candle if you love like that peanut butter type of scent, then you will love this. And that's the reason why I went on and got it. But this would be on my top 10 list, but probably not my top 5 list. So yeah, and I grabbed 2 of them. So yeah, 2. So good. And then I love the color of the wax. It just fits this candle so perfectly. And then, as y'all did see, the pumpkin and the peanuts. I most definitely feel like I don't get pumpkin in this candle. I just really get like that caramel and that peanut butter, or the nuts, even though, yeah, this is good. This is most definitely something you want in your collection, just to have, even if you don't like, even if you're like me, it's not your favorite, you like it, but it's not like on your hoard list. I highly recommend that you still go ahead and get it, because sometimes they just don't come back. So all of these candles I got was the 2450 candles, except the last one that I got, and I almost forgot. Except the last one that I got. But again, like I said, I used a 30% coupon in order to get these. Plus it was the what sale was this? Not the buy two get two, whatever the last sale was that we had. No, the $10 off sale. That's what this was. This was the $10 off sale, plus I had that 30% coupon. So I finally decided to get this Spooky Cider Lane. I wanted at least one, even though these candles is $32.50. Oh my goodness, that is super expensive. But I went on and got it because I had that 30% coupon, and like I said, I wanted to have at least one in my collection, because I personally feel like you could just go with Cider Lane, or you could get the single wicks. The single wicks throw just as good. As y'all do know, I do have a couple of the single wicks that I got free with rewards. So that just kind of make the set complete. But I don't have to have a whole lot of these. Not for $32.50. If they mark the candles down to like 12 something, even though I heard we supposed to be getting that sale pretty soon, but when they mark the candles down to like a $13.50 or a $12.95 or somewhere right up in that, plus with a coupon, then I might grab more of this because I do like the scent. And the single wicks do throw. I'm not sure about this 3 wick, but I'm kind of thinking it's going to be a powerhouse. Just because of the single wicks is a powerhouse. And then again, y'all do know it has this it has the lid, the glass lid with the skeleton head in it. Let me see, maybe I'll hold it like that so y'all can kind of see it a little better. So yes, so yeah, it's smooth on the lid, so you can't stack these because of the lid is smooth. And then the print is actually on the back. Yeah. So, yeah, I just grabbed one. And I think this was like $15, which y'all know I don't usually be doing no $15 candles. Yeah, it was like $15. But, again, only reason why I got it is because I had that 30% coupon. I've had 20% coupons and I did not purchase it, but because of that 30%, that was the only reason why. And it made it like $15. So yeah, that was everything that I got with this haul, y'all. I just really got a whole lot of backups. Yeah, this was the only new candle to my collection, which is this one. I have all of the others, so yeah. That's what this sale was for me. Hopefully we get a better sale and new candles hopefully soon. So yeah, leave in the comments, let me know, have you bought this candle yet? Or are you gonna buy this candle? Or is this just a complete pass because of the pricing? The price point is just way too high for you or way too expensive for you? Leave that in the comments because I'm kind of curious how many people is buying this candle. How many of these candles are you gonna purchase? I think I might be, maybe, like I said, if they do a good sale and I have a coupon, then yeah, I probably will grab maybe 2 more, maybe, I don't know. But if I could get these candles for around like under $10, then yeah, I'll go ahead and I'll grab a few. But other than that, at the $15 price point, it's a pass all day long for me. But I had to have at least one before it sold out. So I'm happy to have this. If I can't get my hands on any more, I'm okay. I will be okay because I have the single wigs that I got for free. So yeah. And I forgot to tell y'all, the black wax. Did I say that? The black wax is amazing. Love it. So yes, I can't believe they got a $32 candle. I cannot believe it. That is just like crazy to me. $32.50. What's next, Bath and Body Works? $50 candles? I don't know. But leave in the comments. Let me know how many of those candles have you purchased. Leave that down in the bottom. And that's gonna be it, y'all. Subscribe. Follow me on all of my social media platforms. Follow or use my hashtag. Thumbs up the video. And I'll see y'all in the next one, y'all, because your girl got to go back to work. Work has started. My summer break is over. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all in the next one. All right. Peace.